All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this new electric bicycle that I just got from Costco for $2.99. The brand is by Jetson, and let's take a look, see what it has to offer. So this one, as off the back, you can see that it's made in China, and this is the spec right here. So as we can see, it goes up to 15.5 miles per hour, twist throttle up to 15 miles, climbing angle up to 15%, product weight 41 pounds, weight limit is 265 pounds. Tires 14. Features over here is motor 350 watts, battery 36 volts, 6 amp, lithium. Charging time is up to 4 hours. Folded dimensions is 46.6 by 19.3 by 23. Unfolded 46.5 by 19.3 and by 38.6. Recommended age is 12 and above. Features: height adjustable comfort seat, front and rear disc brake, pedal assist mode, twist throttle, LED headlight, and kickstand. All right, so take a look on this side. Jetson Folding Electric Bike. 100% electric, up to 15 mile range, up to 15.5 miles per speed, and 14 pneumatic tires, twist throttle, pedal assist. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So it looks pretty nice. Right now, I'm just gonna unbox it and see what it has inside. pedals, this one I believe you gotta tighten it this way. You go like this way. You gotta tighten that way. Go that way. Okay, for some reason you gotta go that way. And you don't really, once it's tightened and you wanna make sure that it's tight, you use the provided wrench and just make sure it's pretty tight. And going on to what else we got? The handles up here. So for some reason, I guess this one, it's never up like this. It's always facing downwards. And with the little things here that's provided, it's kind of like tiny. It doesn't give me enough leverage to untighten it. So what I did was I used mine. I bought this whole set. I think it was probably from Amazon a while back. I don't remember how much, maybe 10, 15 bucks. But you look at the length of it, it's much longer. And it was able to give me the power I needed to right here, right there. So loosen it, and then I can just turn it facing a little bit upward, because you're supposed to hold it like this, not like hold like that, okay? Same goes for the other side too. So you just adjust it to a little bit up, whereas you're comfortable with it. And here there's a bell. This one, you just use a Phillips screwdriver and tighten it. Same goes for this little light reflector as well. There's a little screw on the bottom. I use a Phillip and you're pretty much done. As far as at least what else? Basically all you need is just this to install it, and it's provided to you. So and this is the manual instruction. As you can see, I didn't bother to read the instructions. So, and the bike, it's all set up and ready to go. So I'm gonna let it charge for about, I would say about a good hour, and then hopefully by then there's still gonna be some sunlight, and I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so I've let the bike charge for a while. Now we're gonna take it out for a test drive and see how good it is. To start, you just gotta press this power button, and you use this handle over here to control the speed. The more rev you do, the faster the bike will go. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys down on the tripod, okay, and then Alright, so now I'm gonna take you guys with me, okay? So like I said, to start it, press the power button here, and to start moving, you just need to start. Okay, so I'm gonna try to ride it with one hand. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's kind of risky, not stable, but we'll see. So to speed up, you just turn that, and then there you go. So, all right, so let's turn around. So just make sure you got to use a brake as well, okay? Ooh. All right, you turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn. There you go. Wish there's a way for me to. Get ready? Fast speed. Woo! I almost dropped my phone there. So, as you can see, this thing is pretty fast. It's pretty small. So far, nothing really to not like about this bike. It's $330. I plan to use this to commute to work. Looks good. I don't need to pump up the air. Everything's good. Disc brake. And starting off, I felt like kind of like not comfortable with it a little bit, but after riding it for a while, you know, you kind of get used to it. Just make sure, like, when you come to a complete stop, never turn this or twist this accidentally, because that's just activating the power to the back wheels, and it'll flip. It almost flipped on me once. So other than that, everything is good. I don't know what else to say. I think for $30, I think that's a good investment for a little toy. You guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.